Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to find the mean by using the direct method for the group data. It is also known as a continuous frequency distribution, and it is an easy method to solve. Okay, so what are the steps to solve this? So the first step is find the class mark for each class interval. Okay, so what we have to find? So the first thing is we have to find the class mark, which is the formula is given here. Class mark is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. Suppose if it is given as 60 to 61 or 10 to 20, so what will be the class? The class will be upper class limit is 20 plus 15 divided by 2, which will give you a 20 plus 15 is 35, which will give you a 15 point. Lower class is 10, so 20 plus 10 is 30 by 2 is 15. Okay, so this is known as a class mark. Now second step, multiply the class mark with by its corresponding frequency Fi. Means when you find this value, means you have to multiply the value of xi into fi. Okay, so second step is multiply xi into fi. Third step, find the sum of the product. Means when you find this value, we have to sum up all of this value fi into xi. Fourth step, find the sum of the frequency sigma fi. I will show you in the next slide how to solve this numerical. And last step is x bar is equal to sigma fi. This is the mean formula to find out the mean divided by sigma fi. Now we'll see how to solve the numerical. Now the numerical given as you can see here, a teacher want to find the average score of the test. The score are grouped into interval. Here the equation is given as the class interval are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50, and fi is given as 2, 5, 10, 6 and 2. So the first step is calculate the class mark for each interval. So what will be the class mark for each interval? For the first class mark, for the class interval 0 to 10, we write here as 0 plus 10 divided by 2, which will give you a 5. This is the first one. Second is given as 20 plus 10 divided by 2, which will give you a 15. Now next is 30 plus 20 divided by 2, which will equal to 25. 40 plus 30 divided by 2 will give you a 35. And the last is the class interval is 50 plus 40 divided by 2, which will give you a 45. So first step is to calculate the class mark, and we have find all the class mark of this class interval. Now the last step is to create a new column and find the sums. So till here the value is given. We have find the value of xi, which is known as the class interval. Now we'll multiply with the fi into xi. So first, for the class interval 0 to 10, we multiply the value 2 into 5, which will give you a 10. For the second class interval, 5 into 15, which will give you a 75. For class 20 into 20 to 30, the value is 10 into 25, which will give you a 250. 35 into 6 will give you a 210, and the last is 45 into 2 will give you a 90. Now we have to add all this value, which will give 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 10 17, 17 plus 6 23, plus 2, which will give you a 25, and sum up all this value fi into xi. So 10 plus 75 plus 250 plus 210 plus 90 will give you a 635. So after finding the value of fi into xi, and fi will apply in the formula, which is given as sigma fi into xi divided by 25, which will equal to sigma fi xi into sigma fi. Sigma fi, which will give you a 635 divided by 25, which is equal to 25.4. So the mean score of the test is 25.4. So this is the way to find out the mean.